Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the live vlog and get the Golden Oriole info bird card with 2 star or above. This quest, new live vlog quest like this. And this quest is actually super easy. First you need to reach bird watching level 3, and after that you need to do bird watching for the Golden Oriole, also known as the Eurasian Golden Oriole like this. The birds looks like this. It has a yellow color like this. It's so cute. And you can find and you can find this bird around your house area like this. And it appears all times and in almost any weather, sunny, rainy, and even rainbow weather. And and then here's the trick to getting 2 stars or more on the info card. Don't just take a random photo, but you need to take a picture while the bird is doing an activity, like when it's singing or chirping, and or maybe when it's flapping its wings. And so just wait patiently until it moves or start chirping, then quickly take the photo. And if you capture it during an action, you will get a 2 star or maybe higher info card. And your live vlog quest will be completed automatically. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.